Let's start with answering this question. What is Deno? From the official website, Deno is a simple, modern, and secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. So, Deno is a runtime. By runtime, it means that Deno allows you to run JavaScript and TypeScript outside of the browser. Deno is built on the V8 JavaScript engine from the Chrome browser, but you do not need a web browser to run Deno programs. Instead, you can run Deno programs outside of the browser, just like what Node.js does. And because of that, you can use Deno to create server-side applications. The client could be a mobile app or a web browser, but the applications on the server that interact with those clients can be created with Deno. Let's now take a closer look at the main characteristics of Deno. As stated before in this video, the three main characteristics of Deno are simple, modern, and secure. Deno is simple because it ships only a single executable file. Of course, you can import modules in your Deno code, but Deno itself, with its core functionalities, is shipped as a single file. Deno is modern because it supports TypeScript and modern JavaScript out of the box. With TypeScript, you do not need a separate TypeScript compiler or additional dependencies. Instead, you can write your code in TypeScript and run it right away. Deno also supports modern JavaScript out of the box with features like promises, async await, ES modules, and more. Deno is secure because it requires explicit permissions. For example, if you want to access the network, then you need to give Deno an explicit permission. Or if you want to read a file or write a file, you also need to give Deno explicit permissions. Let's now take a brief look at the history of Deno. Deno was created by Ryan Dahl, the original creator of Node.js. Node.js was released in 2009, but in 2018, Ryan Dahl delivered a talk titled 10 Things I Regret About Node.js. As it turns out, there are several design decisions in Node.js that he regrets. Also, between 2009 and 2018, modern JavaScript emerged. So, to fix these regrets and also accommodate modern JavaScript, Deno was created. Alright, so this answers the question, what is Deno?